Hey everybody, Pro Trader Mike, trying out the microphone again. I've been working on it. Did a couple local recordings, they sounded okay. We'll try it again. Let's see if we can get some of my friends on here. Oh, no way. It's working perfect. Sounds working perfect. I did 19 local recordings. The mic's perfect away. It should come in no echo. I'm talking smooth. Is it working perfect for the MOJO show right now? The number one day trading show in the world, MOJO show. Yeah, you better believe it. Now I got it fixed, 100%. Oh, woo.
Yeah, baby.
Nice. So let me show you. You know, other guys just do this for entertainment purposes. I do this for edutainment purposes. Education plus entertainment. It's a little better combination. So let's show you one of the screeners that I got right here. We'll go over this one first. This is my, right here. Let's see if I can change the layout. Yeah, I can. So check it out. I'll just stretch that down. Keep my boys right there. So this right here is the Yahoo screener, bro. See it? Undervalued stocks. There's 50 of them right now. MOJO. I got my own little list. 50 matches on that. You know, I got some good ones on there. And I can just go right here. This is according to my result of 4,000 stocks right there. And you can just go click price. There they are right there. You know, all the little goodies. You can sort it by change. I can go heat map of my stocks, my watch list that I got right there. You know, it's pretty cool. And then you go to all screeners. If you want the link for that, can't believe I got it fixed. It's so sweet, dude. You know, if I wasn't so good at technology, I would have to hire an IT guy to come on in and help me. Sounds like the stream is good too. Sweet. So then you got like these daily gainers. See them? 32 match. So you come up on the daily gainers and hit price percentage and you can see which ones are up. The bigs. It's a good little list right here. I could scan with my eyes and tell you right here. I haven't seen the list, but watch right here. You ready? Boom. Start up at the top. No. Yes. FSMUC, does it trade volume? If it does, it's going through 6 Heinz. Yeah, look, dude. Look, 594, bro. Look at this stock. 46.97 TD Ameritrade. Bang. Right through Heinz 47. It's an easy play. Let's see this one. Heinz 76. Probably go 77, 78 even. Seattle Genetics. Beautiful. FNMA may be moving. This is FNMAT. FNMAT. Never heard of that one. But look, ADNT 22.95. Bam. Right through 23. Everything else on the list is shit. Want to see what the futures are doing? Futures are up 72 beans right now. Beans. So I finally got it going. Now you can subscribe to my channel and be notified when I go live. Telling you, if I can get it all right. So those are some gainers. So these are some good screens right here. You can go on back a page. You can look at the daily losers or the most actives right here. The most activos. And just go to price intraday change right here. Click twice, and this one's up $2.80. I'll tell you which ones are good right here. You ready? I don't got to look at the names. I don't have to look at the chart. This is how I traded remotely all last week. Had these stocks up here. I tell you right now, you know which ones are good? ExxonMobil to go through 71.50, may head up into 72. Keep Western Union above 23 Heinz, 5 cent risk, 45.50 cent reward as it goes through 23.50. This one, risk a nickel, 74.80, buy 95, head right through $75. Risk a nickel, make 25.50 cents, $1 on that one. Let's see what we got. Let's see. Oh, 692, Teva. Risk 3 cents, thing goes through 7, add up into 699. Boom, you got a winner at 7-Eleven, touches 11, goes right to 19. Like that. Oh, Hewlett Packard Enterprise, right at Heinz 15, probably go 3 cent risk after you're scaling, probably go 40-50 cents on that one to 15.50, 15.30 easy. 17.90 on Nectar Therapeutics, easily going through $18, risking a nickel, making 50 cents. Yup. Here, 484 Morgan Stanley, buying at 494, adding at 42.99, right through 43, risking a nickel, making 50 cents to $1. That's what we do all day long in the MOJO Day Trade room. That's what we do all day long in the MOJO Day Trade room. So let's see what else we got. That's how I see what's hot and what's not. So those will be some hot ones. And right there, a beautiful list of screeners you can use during the day. Another really, really good one. I'll let my little poochie out. Hold on. You can check out this screen. Check out the futures right here. Nice. So I got another couple little features going to be happening during the week. I got my little...
You save $525. The Carefree demo card is just $15.95 a month, and everyone in your household can use the same card. Call 1-800-439-4582 to receive your free Carefree dental card information kit. Call 1-800-439-4582 now. So where does the most expensive furniture wood come from?
Yeah.
The answer is C, Southeast Asia, where a single pound of eider wood can cost more than $13,000.
So many memories there are. Sometimes I just come and stand here and reminisce.
In 2013, when Ed Bennett dies, his 4 children inherit more than 60 pieces of furniture by master.
Dude, I've been mastering all week.
All sorts of stuff.
CNBC.
A rocking chair and a dining room set beloved by 4 generations of the family. It's been half a century.
Trading, dude, 3 times. 3 times on Friday. I picked Roku, and 3 minutes later, it went on CNBC and flew. Then I picked Beyond Meat, BYND, in the MOJO Day Trade room, and it went on CNBC and ripped. And then I picked Smile Direct, SDC, and that one ripped too. All mentioned on CNBC like a little bit before I mentioned it, man. It was pretty unbelievable. Let me go to another screener right here, and we'll check out what's good on the... See, these other screeners I had were, a lot of money. This screener, anyone can use. It's free. It's called FinViz, F-I-N-V-I-Z. FinViz is the website, F-I-N-V-I-Z. And this one shows you some good gainers and losers right here. Check out this one. So this one you got, and you could just put your mouse over it and it shows you the chart. So this is an airline up 31% at 1181. And this one, get these women off the channel. So I'm gonna have the CNBC rocking tomorrow for all you guys and gals gonna be watching the show. My new little feature on there. Then you got BVS, that's Broad Vision. This one looks rocking, $1.69. Look at this one with the spike, could really go right here through $1.80 and up into $2. Absolutely. Let's check, scroll down below, and you can see the shares in the float are only 2 million. So I need to head over to the MOJO Day Trading room. Let me load that baby up right here. And delete this baby. This was my last tweet. All right, so check this baby out. Let's go BVSN. News, BVSN. Let's go float, BVSN. Anyone in the Mojo room could do that. The float is tiny, tiny. So this one, for all my guys out there, this one right here, BVSN, it's freaking hot, dude. I got to open up my Mojo University on Facebook. Again, I got to open up my Twitter, and I got to share BVSN with the crew. BVSN, sharing a nice winner, a nice IMO possibility for this week ahead. Bang zoom to the moon. So I'll share that one, BVSN. I like that one. So I just shared that with my Twitters and my Facebooks. And then you got announces second quarter results. Let's see what they are. So if we head back over to the main screen, we'll see that a leading provider of e-business and engagement management solutions. Do you even know what that is? I do. E-business is like e-commerce, online business, and engagement management solutions is like engagement online, getting leads, converting leads, engagement management, so CRM solutions, things like that. Reported financial results for the quarter, in which Broad Vision balance sheet resulted operations of $1 million for the quarter versus $200,000. It's a 5-time increase. Pretty damn nice. BVSN. Story continues. Assets doubling. Revenues looking hot to trot. What about the website? Check it out. BVSN up 23 cents. Spiking right there, boys. Looking hot to trot. Got that right off FinViz. There's the monthly looking hot to trot. The monthly's looking hot, boys. Share that with the room. Looking hot. Found out on that one right there. Shared that with the room. Share it with my Twitter and my Facebook. BVSN, sharing the Mojo power. How about that? That looks pretty good. Looking hot. So, dude, that's BVSN. I found us a winner. I think the volume, if it trades, average volume's 31,000. Average, it might trade that in the first pre-market. And then you got 300,000 for the day, goes through 2 and then goes to 3 because the float is only 2 million. The shorten, a small percentage. Oh, insider owns 60%, baby. Insider owns. Let's see when the last time these insiders bought some of the stock, man. They bought it on June 29th. 93,000. It's more than 7,000's the daily, so that's like 10 times volume right there. They own a lot. Some good names. Fidelity, Vanguard, BlackRock, Bank of America. Got us a winner. Let me find us a little another one. Shall I? On the Finviz. First, let me see if I got anybody watching. Send out this video to the boys. Be quiet, little man. I'll be right there. Yeah. All right. So we got ourselves. Give me a little thumbs up because the auto cleats. The other guy gave me a thumbs down already. I didn't even do nothing. I'll be quiet. So we got BVSN, nice winner. Number 1. What do you think of that? What do you think of that? Come on in. Broad Vision, super winner. All right. What else we got? Good. Everything's working good, man. Sending data on LinkedIn, Facebook. Seems like all my streams are working. Should say I'm live. It is. See, I'm live. 2 minutes. See that? That is cool. My thing is working nice. Thing is working. Sending data on LinkedIn, Facebook. Cool. Working good. All right. Yeah, Autoclease, that's a book beauty one. Thank you for the thumbs up, buddy. Appreciate it. So let's look at the next one, shall we? I'll give you another good one. That was BVSN. That was a big and beautiful winner. How about JE 222 filling in a gap? Look at this one, Just Energy Group. Wow, I got some good ones going on this one. This one's already up a lot, though. I don't feel like chasing it. No fear of missing out. This is the Shaw deadline to contact them for about that one. TTPH, that one also made a big move. Tesla, TLSA. People think it's Tesla, but it's TLSA. Then you got NC, NACO Industries. Look at this one, $62. SSI ripping. Wow, look at this one from $1, dude. Wow, did this thing really unbelievably go crazy, man? SSI. Why? And they got downgraded. Why? Stage Stores jumps third after announcing off-price store conversion, 40 store closures. That's why. Look at that, man. I picked Express, EXPR, a couple of weeks ago. I picked the wrong store. No, actually, I picked it at 3. It's going. Picked it to go through 3. It's moving. Keep an eye on Express. All them retailers are doing the same thing because the malls are going out of business. So SSI is just, wow, insane. How about AGFS? So many ads. AGSF. AgroFresh Solutions. This thing can fill in a gap to go to $3. Look at this one. It's at 262. About to break through the top of that. 49 million shares in the float, 3% short. Earnings did you manage to avoid 84% share drop? Jeez. What else is up here? All right, Java, it's coffee one on the bottom right here. Java coffee, run, AGTC. This one shows you, look, trend line support. Doesn't make a difference. You just go for the price. This one's CVM. Should be on the way up. NCTY, we traded that in the room last week. Link destroyed. This one destroyed. Ford. Ooch. I don't see nothing good. Here's a double bottoms. What's this one? Pixie Dust. We traded that one. That's one of my swing picks. Pixie from last week. Shift Pixie double bottom. See it? Right here. It's from last week's newsletter. Let's see, 9/22 newsletter. Right here. I did 4 picks. I think Shift Pixie was one of them. Nope. Must have been the week before. Shift Pixie. Keep an eye on that one. Mr. Autoclease. Shift Pixie at 47 cents. You'll see Jason Bond Picks come out with that one next. Dude, the funniest thing, I get an email from Jason Bond. Look how good my clients love me. And it was an email about Jivo. Thanks, Jason. I made $5,800 on Jivo at $1.77. Dude, the thing's $3.65. Hasn't been $1.77 in a year and a half. He's got thousands of clients, 3,000 people at a freaking webinar, and he's got to send out testimonials. It just doesn't make sense that it's on stocks that are years old. It doesn't make sense. And then the ones he does send out are from people from Twitter that have no followers, and they're all shill fake accounts. Amazing. Amazing. All right, let's find another one. So let's come up on FinViz, and I'll show you how to do a screen. Go to Screener. It's the third one across. And you can come up right here, and you can come on to, let's see here, price. Industry, technical. See this technical? This is the performance. I think it's under one of these. All. All right, this is all the things you can pick. What exchange? It doesn't matter. Take any exchange. Here we go, price. See it? It's the last one on the bottom. And let's go under $10. Done. Boom. So right now out of that one, it knocks it to 1,931 stocks. And then let's go to volume. Relative volume. It's over here. See it? Current volume. Over. See, it's right here. It's the last one on the right. Over 100,000 is good for me because if it kicks in, it'll trade 1 million. So let's do 100,000. Kicked it to 949 picks. I like that. So let's go to that, and we'll pick maybe one more, which would be none. So come down here, and let's see if we could sort it. How many to a page? You get 20 to a page. But we're going to price, change, and click that column. So now we got the biggest losers. Click it again. And now you got the biggest winners. JE, right there, that energy one. It traded 4.2 million shares. It's at 222. So you got to keep an eye on it just because of the volume, and it's a $2.22 stock. So JE opened it in a new tab. Look at that. Float is 102 million. A lot in the float. 102 million. We'll keep an eye on it tomorrow. JE. And you got the TTPH. AgroFresh. It's breaking out, actually. It's one that you don't want to, but if it goes, it's going to go to 362. So I'm going to write that one down. AGFS right here on my pad. And JE. Keep an eye out. I'll put them in the chat room. So we got CD. I think it's CD for the chart daily on JE. No, it's just C. So there's the chart on the JE in the chat room. I did a chart on JE. We'll do a chart on AGFS right there. So we'll keep an eye on both of them babies. Both of them babies. And then we got USAT. Dude. People, when they look at that, you're like, oh, yeah, look at that big, great, magnificent. Dude, you know how many times that stock has halted in the last 6 hours of live trading? Like 10 times, dude. That thing has knocked so many people's blocks off. It's crazy, utterly ridiculous. Crazy, utterly ridiculous. Dude, I'm glad my microphone's working. Everything's working smooth now. And then we got YRIV, Yangtze River, and Libby's, 345, Libby's Home Furnishings, 922,000 on Libby's. Let's do a little look at Libby's. Libby's is 21 million shares in the float and 12% short. It's not that bad. Libby's to seem an awful lot of debt, blank, blank, blank. Realignment plan to improve. Libby's. Libby's is okay, but it came from $1.50. It's at $3.50. I ain't touching it. I should have gave it to you at $1.50. It's like Broad Vision. Down here at $1 and breaking through 2, going bang, bang, bang. See? Like Broad Vision. Look, breaking through 2 right there. See it? Ching. That one. So forget Libby's. Raw Medical Systems traded 260,000. Euroseas 75 cent breaking out. No volume. I don't buy a 75 cent stock trading 148,000. No thank you. MLSS, Milestone Scientific. Isn't that a Mojo swing pick, guys? Milestone Scientific? I think so. Right there. Milestone Scientific at 85 cents. We own it already. It's at 98, up 15%, heading through. Milestone Scientific. Right there. MLSS. In beautiful play for the MOJO. One of my swings is, dude, when these swings go up 15, it's got 100% more to go, baby. I just got you another winner right there. MLSS, big time winner. Congratulations and thank you for the MOJO. Heading through $1. Heinz and 1. Heinz and 1 on the MLSS. Gotta love that. So I think I gotta send it out to the, I put it in the Mojo room. You should all traders, keep an eye. Heinz $1. Go ahead, ask me what Heinz is. But think first. FIRST. So I think this one, dude, MLSS, you should really keep an eye on it because volume goes in. You know, you're like freaking gonna miss it and shit. Gonna happen fast. Should have been in at 85 cents. Oh, that's the MLSS. Should have been in at 85 cents. That's this one. So that's MLSS. All right, so let me head back to the main screen. What date did I pick the MLSS on? That was from the 9/1 newsletter. That's from this one right here. I'll show you this one right here. It's a good pick, man. This is the 9/1 newsletter. I picked 4 in the 9/1. One of them is PLG at $1.99. It's a good buy right now. PLG did a big, long cup and handle with a 97 relative strength. Did a beautiful look, cup and handle. Look, see? Beautiful little long cup, big, huge long handle, handleonian. You know, you got to connect with me. I'm the only guy that knows all about this stuff, boys. Very low risk, high reward. Look at the stock here, $1.99 and $1.99, both of them. Which one's going to go? Which one's going to go? Which one's going to go? Let's take a look. So you got, search my ticker. Open up a new page. Then search that ticker, which is WTER. The alkaline water company is at $1.51 right now. No way. It's a total good buy again. Look, we sold it right up here into that peak. Went to 260 and change. See that? Beautiful pick. Wow, dude, it's at $1.51 right now. We're totally buying it back. Right along here. See these 3 bottoms? 1, 2, 3. We're totally buying this back right now. WTER. Right off 151 stopping station. Can you believe it? Total buy. Total rebuy. Rebuying. Dude, you want to see the comic for tonight? Check out the comic. I'm ready. Well, yeah. For this week's swing picks from Pro Trader Mike. There you go. As excited as everybody else is. WTER, total good buy, bros. Totally a good buy. That's the alkaline water. And MLSS is up there, boys. And let's see what PLG did. PLG is 159. That went to 2, a little over 2. Didn't really do much. That one's probably a good buy right now, too. Here's MLSS at $1.09. MLSS at 94 cents. Got it up at 85. Here's the MLSS. Real nice looking right there. And then the other one on the MLSS was rad at 646. It already went to 950. That was the 9/1 newsletter. Let's see what futures are at. Futures are up 83. Wow, we're gonna go rocking tomorrow. Who's gonna come trade with the Mojo tomorrow? I think y'all should. Who's gonna come trade with the Mojo tomorrow? Nice. Let me look for something right here. Hold on a second. I made this robot. Where's my robot? ROBOT. There is none. Alright. But I'll find it. Yeah. I'll find it. Alright, so I got some good screeners, showed you in the beginning with a Yahoo. I teased you a little bit with how to find out some really great picks on FinViz and using that. Those are some good ones right there. And if you're on the Mojo Swing Trading newsletter, you might get a couple of those before they go up 30, 40, or 50%. Let's find out how we do that, shall we? Sure, Mike. Go to mojodaytrading.com. You can actually, until maybe one more day, get your free education and become the next pro trader. Because this is advantage and opportunity is coming down. Day trading course, which retails for $1,497, is free. Let's find out about that. Click. Yes. Okay. Discover a proven trading system that works so you can kick the market's ass. Sounds pretty good to me. Cheers. See what it says. Imagine if you had a system for your trading so it made it almost impossible to lose money. Sounds too good to be true. Well, what if every time you placed a trade with the system, you won? Sounds too good to be true. Would you want the system? I sure would. How much would you pay for it? If it did that, a lot. Hello, traders. My name's Pro Trader Mike. I've been a trader for 25 years now. For the past 7 years, I've created Mojo University courses with online video lessons that have taught hundreds of traders how to day trade and swing trade like professionals. The first thing I'm going to teach you is a glitch that I've discovered in the stock market that when used correctly, hits winner after winner. We're actually way into the 15,000th trade in a row. We've surpassed 10,000 back a year or two ago. So the proof is in the pudding, as they say. Meet Pro Trader Alan, my first student in 2012, who paid me $2,000 to teach him privately my system and strategies. He has not had a losing day since November of 2014. Yes, that's right, folks. You're reading this correctly. Pro Trader Alan has not had one losing day since November 2014. This is his second video testimonial. His first one on my website has 60,000 views. It's one of the most popular videos in my library of 1,600 videos. And let's hear what he's got to say at minute 457. 445. Oh, look, Ross. See, I don't have to advertise. He spends $100,000 a month to get these ads up on his site. And he only gives you a teaser. He's doing it for free now, just like I am, but he's not giving you his course and everything. That's still thousands of dollars. So let's get rid of him and let's hear what Alan's got to say. Because let's compare Alan to Ross. Since Ross came up on my thing, let me introduce you to Ross. Let me go to YouTube. Let me show you Ross Cameron right here. So this is him. Let's see how he's done. So his videos are right here in chronological order. So he had a red day right here. Red day recap. Okay. Oops, I did it again. Down $3,000. Then his comrade Mike made 300, but lost right there. Tough on Nike. 2,000 max loss on one trade. Then he made $98. Then he didn't even trade on Tuesday. Why didn't he trade on Tuesday? Let's see what happened. Something must have happened because he didn't trade on Tuesday. So he did $845 here. Then he lost 7 trades, up $12.27 here. So if I was paying him $149 a month or $199, which he charges thousands of people in his room, thousands of people lost money. Even if hundreds of people are following him at one given trade, hundreds of people lost money on this day a week ago. And then a red lost 1,917. Ouch, right there. And then he, live from San Francisco, he lost $800. So 3 losing days in a row. And then he didn't trade on Tuesday. I'd never heard of no trade Tuesday before. I want my money back if I was in that room. Then he made $98 and lost again and lost again. So that's the competition of what I'm going up against, the guys that are advertising on my website, on my videos. Okay, so there you're paying hundreds of thousands. I'll show everyone, look, come follow me in my system and lose. Okay, so let's head over here to Alan and let's hear what he's got to say at minute 4:57. There's Ross again, his ad again. Thanks, Ross.
Mike's system is so good, and I only trade his picks, that I haven't had a losing trading day since November of 2014. You heard that right, folks. I have not had a losing day since November of 2014.
Mm-hmm.
I do have losing trades, however, but never red for the day. Thanks to Mike and his system and staying on the reservation. I enjoyed speaking with you since November of 2014. You heard that right, folks. I have not had a losing day since November of 2014. I do have losing trades, however, but never red for the day. Thanks to Mike and his system and staying on the reservation. I enjoyed speaking with you and look forward to seeing you again on another video. Have a great day.
So it's beautiful right there. Truth to be told, role model for everybody that y'all can do the same. He's been with me since 2014. It's 2012. It's 2019, 7 years. And most of these other guys have been with me for a couple of years as well, on their way to millions of dollars, trading off the picks and the system because it's results oriented. It's a results oriented system. And as long as you're winning, I expect you and hope that you'll stay along with me. Like Lizzie, who doesn't speak often, but another amazing swing pick. What a month. Several years of subscriptions earned in an hour. And Lizzie really doesn't speak a lot, so I wanted her to tell everyone how long she's been with the service. Probably 5 years since the beginning. Now, I'm not sharing these to brag. It's not about me. It's about you, the trader, who's sick and tired of losing money on trades and paying too high in commissions. So if you want to stop wasting days and your precious money, then I'll reveal to you the MOJO University online courses. Now, you're probably wondering and thinking, what's so great about that? These are the courses that the same traders have been using since 2012, generating consistent returns on a daily basis, but now they're available to you for free for a limited time only. In 1 month, you can learn everything you need to become the next pro day trader. This is the course. It's free now, but typically it's been $14.97 for the online, $1,997 2Gs for the offline, for the when I do it live, and I'm doing another one shortly. What if you're one of the statistics already? 9 out of 10 day traders that fail. Did you know your firm trades against you and your broker does too? And your market makers are trading against you and your own chat room moderator, like a Ross, is trading against you. it's pretty damn difficult to win, don't you think? Well, time for a 360-degree change for you. I've back tested and retested over and over this system, and it plain out works. To do that, I've had to spend $2,400 a year on my stock market data research. I've put a lot of money into this system. Stock trading platform feeds, Python programmers that have developed the system. What's the end result? Testing hundreds of thousands of trades over 7 years with 100% accuracy on this one trade play. This one Heinz system is so easy to learn and can be applied immediately. You'll learn the world's famous Heinz trade play and how you can achieve a 100% win rate. If you subscribe and get the course and go through it and become a member of the chat room, it's $149 a month. You prove to me a Heinz trade according to my system that I teach that doesn't work. I'll give you a 100% refund. I'll pay you $150 myself, and we can part as friends. You want to know why I do that? Because it has never happened in 7 years, and you're not going to be the one guy that bucks the system. There's no way. You're not going to do it. Nope. As much as you try. N-O. As much as you look.
No!
As much as you try to find one.
No.
Bust your eyeballs.
No!
Find one. I dare you.
No!
You won't ever find one that doesn't work.
Give me a Y, give me an E, give me an yeah!
I've proven 10,000 consecutive Heinz trades, they're called, in a row. What's a Heinz trade? It's when the stock rolls through the even number. It's a computer algorithm. It's a glitch. And you got to learn how to move and shake with the move. I could teach you, here's the basketball. Dude, I could show you a shot, how you can drive around, make it every single time. It's called a layup. You don't got to shoot no more. Make a layup every time. How many 100 out of 100 times? If you had to for money on and really concentrated, you'd never miss one, dude. Never miss one. Slam dunk 1,000 out of 1,000 in a row. You do 10,000 slam dunks in a row, right? You're 7-2. You stand there and you put it in. Done. I could make you 7-5. I could make you stand above the rim and just drop it down in the hole. You'd never lose on the trade. Prove me wrong. It's a trading system that's not based on assumptions and theories. It's based on statistics and numbers, and as you know, numbers don't lie, and this means you can be 1,000% confident in what you'll learn is based on proven success and not stories. Imagine how much more profitable you'll be using a proven trading system that gives you such an edge. Yes, I want to start day trading. Click here and subscribe. As soon as you do, I'll send you the day trading course. You'll be a member of the chat room. This 5-star rated online chat room, which I show you all the time. Right over here with the Snoopy thing. All us hooking up. Got 600 people. 647. Got 700 people right now, online and offline, in the Mojo room, ready to rock and roll. Come in at any time. 5-star. You got the check the channels, the live audio and the screen share, the live chat. It's amazing. So there's a good chance you've seen me or my trading somewhere. Maybe it's been on the Mojo Discord chat room with 600 members, or my YouTube channel with 1,650 live trading videos. I think I'm the #1 day trading channel out there. Everyone's copied the Moj at some point. Got to make me some sort of leader. I challenge anybody that watches this video. Anybody. It could be set up a $100,000 simulated account, and so will and I will trade against you. Dude, it doesn't have to be one day. Let's do it for a whole week, and I'll put it live. I won't shut off the camera at 9:30, and you don't either. And let's show the world every day for a week. We'll trade. Boom. We'll see who makes more money. And I'll take your winnings. I'll stick them right in my pocket. And then I'll show everyone that too. And if I lose, I'll send you my winnings, bro. No, I challenge anybody. please, let's do a challenge. Challenge Mojo live. My chat against your chat. And we'll see how many of my traders and my percentage of my room makes money and what your room does. And don't tell them, oh, my room made $50,000 today. Yeah, you got 3,000 people in there. I hope you did. Dude, I did it on 5. So, dude, come on. Anybody. Let's go head to head. We'll video it every day. We'll call it the Chat Room Trading Challenge. And let's get it going. I'll keep a leaderboard every day. We'll show screenshots all day long. We'll upload the video. You'll send it to me. I'll post it on the special landing page. And we'll both highlight that page on our Twitters and our social media. Because you're such a good trader and you got such a great service. So I challenge anybody to differentiate themselves from Mojo and try to do better than my chat and myself with the trading and my pooches. No one will win. I challenge you, and I'll bet you. You want to bet $100? We'll do that. You want to bet $1,000? We'll do that. We don't got to bet more than that because what's on the line is a lot more than that. You may have noticed me on my 50,700 real followers on Twitter. Big, or Benzinga, or Lightspeed. Because you've seen my work somewhere. I do a daily show every day on YouTube. I go over my 2 systems for day trading and swing trading all the time. So yeah, I want to start day trading. You're going to get the famous day trading course for free as a limited time. It's the best course in the world, period. I've never had a refund. I guarantee you 100% money back refund. If you watch 2 videos and say, Mike, I don't like it, give me all my money back. Dude, it's free, dude. There is no money back. So, dude, come on, man. Stop paying thousands of dollars for stock education that may not work. Yeah, their systems are great, but if you don't apply it correctly, you go on tilt and something may happen. You're going to blow up and have to refund your account. Use the money for education to fund your account and get the education for free. Trade with the best stock trading community in the world. Since 2012, my systems are proven. I've helped hundreds of traders day trade and swing trade with steady profits. But don't take my word for it. Here's what a lot of traders are saying. And I have hundreds and hundreds of these testimonials, just like I have hundreds and hundreds of these comics. So if you come over here and go to that comics tab, dude, I got hundreds of comics, bros. Really cool ones. Like Trump. Time to push the lever and destroy the market. Smart stock market TNT with Trumpski. So check out some of those beauties and then subscribe. Hit that little down in the corner. Little subscribe button. So when I go live, you'll get my video and I won't mess up on the audio. Promise I won't mess up on the audio. So these testimonials are real deal. And you can get access because I'm paying it forward. People, Mike, I don't have enough money I want to take the courses, but I want them for free because I don't have access. And what if I lose money? Now, I don't provide free access because I spent years developing these courses. I have a lot of skin in the game, and I don't want others just taking the work, but I get it. I want you to watch my online course so you can reference and re-reference and watch it as many times as you want, as long as you're a member. So as a member, you can get access to both or just 1 or 2. Right here is the day trading. Yes, I want access. And then down below is the swing trading. Check out all the information about the swing trading and the amazing picks. 10 out of 10 for a 47% gain. Here's the 3 newsletters. You can actually click the link and check out the newsletter. See if it meets your approval. Your feedback would be amazingly appreciated. You could see the intense passion and power and energy and research and time I put into those newsletters. It's second to none, better than anything else. And that style also has been copied and replicated several times. I've been using the same style for 7 years. Yes, I want to start swing trading, and you're going to get the swing trading course if you do that, absolutely free. So check that out. And yes, I want to start swing trading. Let me let my dog out. Go ahead. and ready to rock and roll for tomorrow. I gave you some good ideas, some good things to watch out for. Anybody wants to check out anything right there. I answer any questions. Obviously, you could send me an email to info@MOJO Day Trading. Hopefully everything sticks on the stream. And I want to say thanks for watching. And peace! Keep it profitable later. Peace. Later. Tomorrow. Excited to trade. Later.